Hey guys, Lydia here, and today's video is going to be a little bit different and a little bit longer than usual, but I've cramped over 40 hours of work in under 20 minutes, so I think that's pretty good. This is the footage I grabbed while painting the mural that we used for our photo booth at our wedding. Our wedding was video game themed, so this mural is a background of Super Mario World. So as you can see, I'm starting by painting a grid so that everything is scaled properly. You'll notice that there are parts I've skipped through in the video, and that's either because my camera died or it ran out of memory, or the footage would have shown me redoing the same color over and over again to get it to be opaque, which is pretty boring to watch, so I skipped it. So my strategy for this painting was to do one color section at a time, starting with the parts that are in the background first and working my way forward so that I'm not switching back and forth between colors too much. This painting involved a lot of custom color mixing so that I would get the colors just right, and I used Pébéo Studio Acrylics high viscosity paint for this project, and it's become one of my favorite brands of paint. This was also painted on a loose canvas fabric that I had nailed to my wall so that it would be easier to move after it was done being painted, because the canvas size was 4 feet tall and 6 feet wide, and our venue was 1 hour away from home, so it would have been nearly impossible to actually get a canvas that is stretched on wood already and actually be able to move it all the way there without getting it completely damaged. I'm really not a fan of doing cartoony flat color paintings like this one, mostly because it involves a lot of repetition, and also straight lines are not easy to do when you're doing it by hand, which is why it's totally necessary to have a grid to start the painting, or else your lines are going to be all over the place. I also ended up making myself some stencils out of paper for the coins and the question mark box so that the shape would be absolutely perfect on each of them and they would be exactly the same. I also used that technique to do the eyes on the clouds because if they wouldn't have been exactly the same, it would have looked really wonky and we don't want that. In the end, I'm really happy with this painting and I'm really glad that I made it because now it looks really awesome in my bedroom. It definitely would have been easier to do this project on a stretched canvas, and in the future, that is definitely what I will be doing. But as I explained already, I kinda had no choice with this one. So once I was done with all of my colors and they were perfectly opaque, I traced all of the black lines, and that was definitely the easiest part of the whole process. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you liked my painting. This was definitely a fun project for me to do. If you guys are interested in seeing my future projects and the process behind them, just let me know in the comments down below. While you're still here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other social media accounts. As usual, there will be more information in the description box. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!